Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mega's World. നമ്മുടെ രാഷ്ട്രപിതാവായ മഹാത്മാഗാന്ധിജിയുടെ ജന്മദിനത്തോടനുബന്ധിച്ച് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് സ്പീച്ച് ആണ് ഞാൻ ഇനി വീഡിയോയിൽ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. Good morning everyone. I am Megha and we have gathered here to celebrate the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Because of his struggle for India's independence, Netaji gave him the name of Father of the Nation. Also, sometimes we call him Bapu. In India, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October to pay a tribute to him, who devoted his life to Indians' independence by using his strong weapon non-violence. Not only in India, in fact in the whole world, but this day is also celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated to remember Gandhiji's principle of peace and non-violence and to educate and inspire the present generation the contributions made by Gandhiji to make the India an independent country. He has gone through a long struggle so that the people of India can breathe in an independent nation. He was a devote of truth and non-violence. In his honor, the UN General Assembly has announced this day as the International Day of Non-Violence on 15th June 2007. Every year, Gandhi Jayanti is feasted at Rajghat, Delhi. As our Prime Minister along with President of India gathered here to pay the tribute by offering flowers to his Samadhi. Also his favorite song Raghupati Raghava Rajaram is sung for him. Gandhiji's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born in a small coastal town of Gujarat known as Porbandar in 1869. He was an honest man and truth lover. In 1888, he completed his law in UK and then shifted to South Africa to practice it. After 21 years, he started with peaceful civil disobedience or satyagraha. After coming back to India with non-violence, he fought for the freedom of India from the British rule. It is because of him and other national freedom fighters, India got freedom from 200 years of slavery. Gandhiji, being such a great leader, preferred to wear Khadi clothes. He never accepted British culture and always followed the old traditional culture of India. He always encouraged the people of India to have faith in themselves and fight for rights. He asked the Indians, do not to serve the British and fight for your freedom. It is because of his devotion and struggles that India is a free bird today. Gandhiji spent a major part of his life to get freedom for our country. He joined Gopalakrishna Gokhale, who was already struggling for Indians' independence. During this struggle, Gandhiji has to go jail several times. He has led to many important movements such as Quit India movement, Civil Disobedience movement and Non-Cooperation movement. Also, he started Dandi March or Salt Satyagraha in 1930 and walked for 400 kilometers. Quit India was a call to British to leave India and go. He did great works all through his life which still has an impact on the people in this modern era. He has worked with great effort to achieve Swaraj, to remove untouchability customs from the society, empowering women's rights, developing the economic condition of farmers and many more. Many leaders and freedom fighters have also contributed their parts in getting Indians independence, such as Azad, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and many more. They have fought till the death has touched their feet and taken them to the heavens in the history of India. These national freedom fighters, along with Gandhiji, will always be remembered. India finally got its independence on 15th August 1947. We celebrate the day as Independence Day every year. A speech is not enough to speak about Mahatma Gandhiji's value and deeds. But we as the future of the country can honor him by tuning our life with his principle of truth, peace and non-violence and lead our country to an incredible nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. വീഡിയോ എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടമായി എന്ന് കരുതുന്നു. ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങളുടെ വിലയേറിയ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങൾ താഴെ കമൻറ്റ് രൂപത്തിൽ രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുക. കൂടാതെ ഗാന്ധി ജയന്തിയോടനുബന്ധിച്ച് മലയാളത്തിലും ഹിന്ദിയിലും പ്രസംഗങ്ങൾ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആ വീഡിയോയുടെ ലിങ്ക് ഞാൻ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ബോക്സിലും കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിലും കൊടുക്കാം. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരും ആ വീഡിയോകളും കണ്ട് സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യുക.